Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase brightness in Once Human. To increase the brightness in Once Human, first of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device and from the main game section, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots or this little icon, and in the pop-up, click Settings. Under the Settings menu, select Graphics on the left-hand corner. You will see the brightness option inside it. Go ahead and drag the slider towards the right to increase the brightness. And if you move it towards the left, you will be decreasing the brightness. Select the brightness you want and then go back to the main game. And you will then be able to see the brightness increased or decreased according to your preference. That is how you can easily increase brightness in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.